In September 2013, the Dutch Wash Alliance launched an innovative new concept, the Learning Trajectory. It's a journey made by 17 motivated participants from the Wash Alliance to work and experiment towards a future with sustainable approaches that offer water and sanitation for all. We will try to answer questions like, what are the best inclusive business models in WASH? What does a sustainable public-private partnership look like? What is the future role of NGOs? How can our sanitation program reach 10 million people instead of 10,000? And if we succeed, who will build 2 or 3 million toilets? We want to find the secrets of successful system approaches that will enable us to reach scale, do more with less. In other words, let's make the Dutch Wash Alliance future-proof. Last summer we went on a quest for the Wash Alliance's key innovators. Employees of the Alliance partners in Nepal, Bangladesh, Ghana and Ethiopia were invited to apply to join the trajectory. 17 motivated participants were selected, and together with coaches and experts, they will embark on the quest for new ways to develop inclusive business models and reach scale within their projects. The trajectory has 5 phases: design, search, co-create, experiment and share and reflect. We've just completed the first phase, the design phase. The design phase was all about getting to know each other's work and its challenges and opportunities.
You know what is happening? Government is actually subsidizing this product, but that product never gets to the farmers at the government price.
And to create common ground on topics like scale, system change, public-private partnerships, inclusive business models, and so on.
That is what we will do in these 2 months.
The grand finale was a meeting in Ethiopia where we looked at different approaches and models and how these relate to the shifting role of NGOs and the projects the participants are involved in. These were the key insights. The future role of NGOs will inevitably change. In the design phase, it became clear for the participants that a change of their roles is inevitable.
I believe that in life many things are changing, and for that matter, issues in WASH are equally changing.
Not only as a result of diminishing subsidies, but also because subsidies cannot sustain WASH services for everybody indefinitely.
Nice to meet you. My name is Nelleke and I'm an investor and I'm just searching for very brand good opportunities. What's your story? What can you tell me?
Business is more than just money. The coaches, as well as the participants, have been able to show each other that the private sector is motivated by more than just money. The key is to outline different parties' incentives and build upon this understanding.
The more that all these actors work together in an effective way, that means that we know to understand each other's perspective, we know to understand each other's language, what's in it for all of us, the better this value chain will be able to work.
You have to know where you're going to decide which road to take. In this figure, the x-axis shows system change towards an inclusive business model. The y-axis represents feats to the third. Together, these show the 5 different stages that lead to the perfect diamond, where scale can be reached. The model is a work in progress and was the topic of much discussion. The one thing that everybody agreed on is that it is essential to determine where you stand and where you want to go in order to determine how you will get there. We're now ready for the next step, the search phase. This involves assessing and researching all relevant knowledge on the theme.
The topics that have been brought out are so practical and researchable and will lead us to be able to come out with solutions to our practical WASH situations.
I hope and I believe we will learn and we will make some kind of good product from this learning trajectory and we will share to the world. I believe that.
You can expect the next film on the search phase of the learning trajectory in late January. Thank you for watching. We hope you keep on linking and learning with us.